The quince, Sidonia oblonga, is a unique and historically significant fruit closely related to pears and apples, belonging to the Rosaceae family. This golden yellow, aromatic fruit has been cultivated for thousands of years and is celebrated for its tart flavor, fragrant aroma, and versatile use in both sweet and savory culinary applications. Although it is less commonly eaten raw due to its astringent texture and sourness, quince has played a crucial role in the gastronomy and culture of Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Botanically, the quince tree is a small deciduous tree or large shrub, reaching 3 to 5 meters in height. The trees have sturdy branches with ovate, gray-green leaves and produce beautiful pale pink to white blossoms in spring. Quince fruit develops over the summer months, typically ripening in late autumn. The fruit is oblong or pear-shaped, with a firm, dense flesh covered in a golden yellow skin often coated with a fine fuzz. Unlike pears and apples, the quince is highly aromatic, releasing a strong floral and citrus-like fragrance even before it is fully ripe, which makes it an appealing addition to orchards and gardens. Historically, the quince is one of the earliest domesticated fruit trees, believed to have originated in the Caucasus region and spread throughout ancient Mesopotamia, Greece, and Rome. The fruit was highly esteemed in classical antiquity, often symbolizing love, fertility, and prosperity. In Greek mythology, the quince is associated with Aphrodite, the goddess of love, and was used in wedding ceremonies as a token of good fortune. The fruit's cultivation expanded through the Roman Empire into Europe, where it became a staple in medieval gardens and orchards, valued for its ability to store well through the winter months. The flavor profile of quince is distinctively tart, astringent, and mildly floral when raw, making it challenging to eat fresh. However, when cooked, the flesh transforms, becoming tender, sweet, and intensely aromatic. This characteristic makes quince ideal for jams, jellies, marmalades, compotes, tarts, and even poached preparations. Its dense texture holds up well during cooking, providing a firm structure that complements both sweet and savory dishes, including meat stews, roasted meats, and traditional holiday recipes. The aroma released during cooking adds a complex, floral citrus note to culinary creations, distinguishing quince from other fruits. Nutritionally, quince is a low-calorie fruit rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It contains beneficial plant compounds, including phenolics and flavonoids, which support immune health, digestion, and cardiovascular function. The high fiber content aids in satiety and digestive regularity, while its aromatic compounds have historically contributed to perceived medicinal properties, including digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits. In traditional herbal medicine, parts of the quince tree, such as seeds, leaves, and bark, have been used for remedies related to coughs, digestive discomfort, and inflammation. Culinarily, quince's versatility is unparalleled. In Europe, it is commonly transformed into membrillo, a thick, sweet paste paired with cheeses, especially manchego. In the Middle East, quince is included in stews and tagines, imparting a subtle floral sweetness and balancing savory spices. Quince syrup, jams, and preserves are widely used in desserts, pastries, and beverages, offering a fragrant, unique flavor not found in other fruits. The fruit is also appreciated for its visual appeal, as the bright golden flesh adds aesthetic value to dishes. Cultivation of quince requires temperate climates, well-drained soils, and sufficient chilling hours for dormancy. Trees prefer full sun exposure and are relatively hardy, tolerating drought and cold better than many other fruit trees. However, they are susceptible to pests such as codling moth and diseases like fire blight and quince leaf blight, which necessitate careful orchard management. Pruning promotes healthy growth, airflow, and fruit quality, while proper fertilization ensures optimal yield and fruit aroma. Commercially, quince remains a niche fruit due to its limited fresh consumption and specialized culinary use. It is grown extensively in Turkey, Spain, Iran, and parts of Central Asia, often sold in markets, specialty stores, and for processing into jams, pastes, and desserts. Its historical and cultural significance continues to sustain demand among chefs, culinary enthusiasts, and heritage fruit growers. Ecologically, quince trees contribute to orchard biodiversity by attracting pollinators, supporting beneficial insects, and serving as ornamental plants. Sustainable cultivation practices, including organic fertilization and integrated pest management, are increasingly prioritized to preserve the fruit's quality and environmental footprint. In conclusion, the quince is a historically rich, aromatic, and versatile fruit that bridges ancient traditions and modern gastronomy. Its firm, tart flesh transforms into a sweet, fragrant delicacy when cooked, making it a cherished ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. With its visual appeal, culinary versatility, and nutritional value, quince continues to be celebrated by fruit enthusiasts, chefs, and heritage gardeners alike, offering a unique experience that blends taste, history, and culture.